Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, May the 13th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars rocked it on the Reading Star. Nice job showing your work, doing your best, and proving your answers. You guys are amazing. Today, 5th grade, you're going to do an amazing job on your end of the year content science test and the STAR test. So, do your best. Remember, every day counts, so just make sure and do your best. Also, scholars, remember, you need to log in every day. We're almost to the end of the year. You've got this. I want to make sure that you complete the year out strong. So, make sure and attend every day. We're looking for our May attendance winner. So, keep rocking it, keep coming to school, and make sure and tell your teachers how much you appreciate all the hard work they've done for you this year. All right, it is time to get our day started, so have a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot! Bye, Miss Cavazos and Miss Ramos's pre-K classes. Have a great day.